everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to insert picture in Canva. Inserting a picture in Canva design is simple. Launch open your Canva application and log into your account first. After you are inside the home page, open up your recent design or create a new design where you want to upload a picture on. I'm gonna open up a recent design, editing page. Go ahead and look for the camera option at the bottom and tap on it. Now it will take you to your camera roll on your device where you can select an image you'd like to add onto your design. After you select the image, tap on add to page and you will then be able to insert a picture onto your design. You can now go ahead and edit the image that you've just added. Tap on the image and then you can resize the image by dragging the edges, crop the image by using the crop tool, and simply drag it along the screen and place it on a desired location. You can now go ahead and add filters or adjust settings using the menu at the bottom of the screen while tapping on the picture. This way, you will be able to add or insert a picture in Canva design. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.